Hey everybody, my quail are doing good. I got 3 eggs off of them, but I don't have an incubator and I hadn't had any other eggs yet, so I'm going to let them maintain. I just got a lot going on here right now. I've got to reconfigure the whole situation out here, and I've got to do it in a fast way. But these quail, they make their little noises. I enjoy hearing them, and I may get an incubator, but I can't add that to my list of priorities right now as much as I'd like to. And they seem to be getting along. I need to separate them, but again, I've got to get these rabbits in a better situation before I can do anything. And I'm hoping that that's going to happen this weekend. So we'll see what goes on. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.